Alright, this is the AR-15 bundle. The upper is Olympic Arms, and the lower is Lewis Tool and Machine. Got tape up front so the bayonet doesn't damage the barrel. Bayonet lug. Magpul. I stippled the front of this to give it a much better grip than it would have been normally. Let it focus. 5.56. Defender 2000 with the B.A.D lever. And this little piece right here helps for rocking out the pins to prevent that from happening. I believe this is a Badger Ordnance switch right here. Here's Daniel Defense single point sling mount. It's a tactical tailor sling. Quick release right here. This is the Altor, or Vltor, whatever you want to call it. This is all waterproof. There's rubber gasket seal right there. Put anything in there, push it down, pull this up. Right there. You can put in 1, 2, 3 batteries, 4 on each side. I put tape on the stock just so it wouldn't be as cold during colder weather. It's an ergo grip. I want to say it's a medium. Got the extended magazine release from Arredondo. .556 barrel. The rear aperture is tritium. It is an amber color. It's not very well to be seen during nighttime or low light, even though that's what it's for. But you can see the front post, which is green. This is a standard, I think it's standard GI bayonet. The sheath with the sharpener and a compass. You can fit the knife in either way. This is a bolt release paddle. It is large on one side and off on the other. All right. This is the Arredondo extended magazine. Well, there's the wrench to install it. It has tape on it too, just for better grip. Here's the original magazine release and the original switch for up here for the bolt. This is the WMD. This is the hammer. This has never been used. So full auto. Here's the Enidine buffer tube, or buffer. This is the other sling mount point if you wanted to use this. Not as good as the one that's on the rifle. Standard stock. It's the Tactical Tailor single point sling. It is bungee. This helps out a lot, especially while running. Alright, so up here we have the Cammenga speed loader, or Easyloader. It holds 20 rounds. Load them up, shut the case, pull it towards the magazine. Here's the Lula Loader. Standard GI base plates. Magpul base plates. 3 Magpul magazines. One with all the grip, one with half grip, one with none of the grippy stuff. Snap caps, dry lube. Dry lube is for the drum. There's the manual for the drum. That's the 10-round speed loader for the drum. Here's the drum pouch. For the speed loader, lube goes on the side. And more bullets. Here's some cleaning stuff. Here's a Tactical Tailor mag pouch. Carries 3. Has Moly on the back. And a Surefire 60-round magazine. Here's the original sights for the AR with the front post adjuster. Alright, this is the Tactical Tailor vest. Just to show you how you can't keep these retained with the elastic here. You don't have to have these flaps over. It's got the straps for putting it on a belt, or putting a belt on it. Here are the width straps. The other side is the exact same as this. It's elastic right here. Here's a radio pouch. And it is mesh to make it lightweight. Tactical Tailor pouch. Put whatever you want in there. Same as on the other side. And there's also a mesh pouch in the back. And there are 3 clips up front to keep everything together. Here's the back pouch for whatever you want to put in it, or camelback. 2 more magazine pouches. There's the Voodoo Tactical bag. It's got magazines in here. Nothing in here, just one big pouch. More magazines. The holster for the bipod. Here's your standard cleaning kit. Right here is the first bigger pouch. And you have Velcro inside. Space to go all the way down in. On the other side as well. Right here. The rifle fits nice and snug right in there. And then just in case if you wanted to use it as a backpack, definitely have the straps for that. Or if you want to use it, the shoulder strap instead. And that's it.